How to use full stop and comma correctly in a sentence. Welcome back to our language mastery series. Today, we're diving deep into the world of punctuation, focusing specifically on two essential players, the full stop and the comma. Let's get right into it. Imagine writing a sentence without any punctuation. It would be like a never-ending roller coaster of words. Terrifying, right? Well, fear not. By the end of this video, you'll be a punctuation pro, especially when it comes to the full stop and the comma. First things first, let's understand the basics. A full stop is that mighty period at the end of a sentence, bringing it to a complete halt. On the other hand, a comma is like a gentle pause, allowing the sentence to breathe. Now, why are these tiny dots and curls so crucial? Simple, they elevate your writing style. They bring clarity, structure, and a rhythm to your words. Let's delve into the reasons why mastering the use of full stops and commas can transform your writing. Full stops act as traffic signals, guiding your reader through your thoughts. They mark the end of one idea and the beginning of another. Without them, your reader might get lost in the chaos of run-on sentences. Commas, on the other hand, provide clarity within a sentence, ensuring your ideas flow seamlessly. Yesterday, I went to the store. I bought some groceries. Think of full stops as the beats in your writing symphony. They create a natural rhythm, making your sentences easy to follow. Commas, when used correctly, add a subtle melody, allowing your words to dance gracefully. The rain fell softly outside the window, creating a soothing lullaby. A well-placed full stop gives your writing structure. It separates ideas, allowing each to shine independently. Commas, by structuring lists and clauses, bring balance and order to your sentences. She loved hiking, reading, and spending time with friends. Full stops are like exclamation points without the excitement, they emphasize the end of a thought. Commas, used strategically, highlight specific elements within a sentence, adding emphasis where needed. In the end, it's your decision to make. Mastering full stops and commas gives your writing a polished feel. It shows that you respect the art of language and understand its nuances. After years of hard work, she finally achieved her dream. And there you have it. The full stop and the comma, your writing's dynamic duo. Practice using them with intention, and watch your sentences transform into masterpieces. Remember, punctuation isn't just a set of rules, it's the heartbeat of your language. Happy writing! A big heartfelt thank you to all you amazing viewers for joining us on this very first journey with the IWT channel. We're thrilled to have you on board as we explore, learn, and grow together. And guess what? This is just the beginning. To stay in the loop and catch all the upcoming engaging content we have planned, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Together, we're embarking on an awesome journey of discovery, learning, and connection. So, until next time, keep smiling, keep exploring, and keep that curiosity alive.